Captivating Northwest contemporary design is all yours at this gorgeous Washougal property. Enjoy the serenity of nearly 5.5 acres with expansive outdoor entertaining spaces in this private, gated community. The grand 2-story entry and stunning epoxy floors welcome you home. As the floor-to-ceiling windows bring the outside in, you can relax by the electric fireplace. Or create your favorite cuisine in the chef's kitchen with a commercial-grade 6-burner cooktop, Sub-Zero, high-end appliances, and a slab quartz island. Plus a large walk-in pantry. La Cantina folding doors open to the expansive covered patio. Entertaining is easy with the wet bar, double keg tap system, and built-in cooler in the game room. A flick of a switch transforms your windows into a privacy glass with the electric window tinting system. Gather with friends and family by the built-in barbecue while enjoying your favorite beverage at the bar. The temperature-controlled wine cellar is adjacent to the movie theater with surround sound. A main-level bedroom features a convenient Murphy bed. All baths have eye-catching contemporary style. Double doors open to your private primary suite, where you can wake up to tranquil views from your balcony. The swoon-worthy soothing bathroom features modern styling, a rainhead shower, and freestanding tub, plus a large walk-in closet. High-tech extends to the bathrooms with an automatic toilet system. With 5 generously sized bedrooms and more than 4,900 square feet, this home has room for everyone. Every amenity to enjoy the best in Northwest living. Whether you're savoring the private setting, enjoying your sport court, or the entertaining spaces, it's a remarkable property offering the ultimate in Northwest contemporary architectural style. And it's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.